Sa ating pong pamamalagi sa eskwelahan, maraming mga bagay ang natatak sa aking puso. Isa po dito ang buhay na mahanap ng aming eskwelahan. Si Father Dr. Nino Furious.
Father Urius successfully evangelized the attributes of his personal charismatic patients. Father Urius identified himself with the people, the Manobos, whom he loved. His patients never seemed to have run out no matter how often he had to repeat the same things over and over again.
Good morning, Reverend Anna.
Good morning, Father.
Now, I'm going to teach you how to use the Holy Water. Do you already have any idea how to use it?
Me, Father!
Yes, Ira.
I'll try.
Okay, sure.
Like this, Father?
No, you don't need to use this.
I'm sorry, Father.
It's okay, look at this.
So simple.
Get it?
Yes, Father.
Okay, now let's see how to use
Anytime you want or when you're afraid of God?
Yes, that's one way, but I'm sure during Mass, there's time where you can hear the lessons that we're going to make.
Okay, how simple.
As your wife forever and ever. Yes. At sa hirap at ginawa ay magkakasama pa rin kayo. Yes, Father, I do, Father. Miss Anna, do you take Mr. Brandon as your wife forever and ever? At kahit ano man mangyari, hindi mo siya iiwan.
Yes, I do, Father.
Okay, now you may now meet the bride.